When it comes to forward-facing sonar, there's a lot of talk about the units, transducer placement, and obviously settings. But one big component to that whole system is the trolling motor. And obviously there's a lot of different options out there, but one thing I love about the Power Pole Move is the app that it has for adjustments and even updates. But one thing I can adjust a lot that really helps me with forward-facing sonar is the foot pedal. First thing being the foot pedal position, and that would be the angle of the foot pedal when it's going straight. You could have it flat-footed, but one thing I really like is basically heel down. Now, heel down is just more comfortable when I'm standing behind it here, so heel down is going to be straightforward. The next thing I move into is basically the resistance of the foot pedal. How hard is it pushing back and forth? One thing I always thought for a while is I always had it maxed out where it was very, stiff or had a lot of resistance. I thought that was a lot smoother the last few years, but this year I backed it off all the way to the lightest, and I really feel like that is even better for, being so steady as I can to stay on a fish, even in rough water. But lastly, the last adjustment on the foot pedal is what they call sonar steady. And basically what this does is it kind of allows you to adjust basically a degree angle in front of the boat that basically the trolling motor slows down with the foot pedal. And it basically allows you to be more steady when it comes to forward-facing sonar. And once it gets out of that range and it starts to go behind the boat, it goes faster to catch up to the foot pedal. I basically have mine set almost 90 degrees to each side of the boat, and in front of is that sonar steady, and it allows you just to slow it down a little bit more. And obviously when it comes to going behind you, generally you don't make a lot of casts there. Now, can you be steady? Yes, but I can be even more steady in front of the boat, which is where generally most of my casts go. So that's one thing I love about the Power Pole trolling motor, is that the app allows you to do a lot of things, especially that can really help you with forward-facing sonar.